4 Arabic letters are written in a completely different way depending on their place in the word, initial, middle, or end. Let's find out what are these letters. Marhaban, I'm Husni Ibrahim and this is ArabicLangClub, How to Read Arabic Series. You know now that letters like ja, ha, kha, a, or gha lose their tails when they're written at the beginning or in the middle of a word. Same with letters like ba, ta, tha, or na lose one of their sides when they're written at the beginning or in the middle of a word. But what about letters like ta, ha, ka, and ya? This form of ta is called in Arabic ta maftuha. That means an open ta. The two sides of the ta aren't attached. It comes everywhere, at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end. But what about this version of the ta? This ta just comes at the end of a word. It's called ta marbuta. That means an attached ta. The two sides of the ta are attached together. And this is, in Arabic, the feminine sign. And it comes in two different ways. This way, the standalone ta, which comes with the letters that cannot be joined like da, the, ra, za, or waw. And this joined one comes with the rest of the alphabet. This ha comes at the beginning or in the middle. But what about ha at the end? Ha at the end, it comes in this shape, which looks like ta exactly. And also it comes in two different shapes. The one that is standalone with the letters that cannot be joined, and the one that is joined with the rest of the alphabet. This kaf comes just at the end of a word, the one we studied with the alphabet. But what about the beginning or the middle? It comes in this shape. By the way, this shape is the same like the one that is inside the kaf, which comes at the end. This ya comes just at the end. But what about ya at the beginning or in the middle? At the beginning or in the middle, ya comes in the ba shape with the two dots below. Now it's time to do some reading practice using these 4 letters. I'm going to give you a few examples for each case, and inshallah in a different video we'll make a whole reading practice video. Also in some words I'm using different vowels, but don't worry, it's coming soon, all the vowels. But this is the most important step. After that, all just going to be repeated. So let's get started. Examples for ta maftuha as an initial letter. تمر تمر تاج تاج تلفاز تلفاز تاء مفتوحة in the middle. دفتر دفتر زيتون زيتون كتاب كتاب تاء مفتوحة also in the middle but it's not joined. هاتف هاتف برتقال برتقال, and it's not joined because it's after alif and ra, and you know ra and alif it cannot be joined. And then ta as a final letter. بيت بيت زيت زيت حوت حوت. Here ta comes in the full shape and not joined because before it is waw, and waw from the letters that cannot be joined. Letter ta at the end as ta marbuta with letters which cannot be joined, which means it's a standalone ta. مائدة مائدة وردة وردة جزيرة جزيرة. تاء مربوطة at the end as e joined تاء. دراجة دراجة. Letter ha at the beginning. هرم هرم. هاتف هاتف. هدية هدية. In the middle. نهر نهر. ظهر ظهر. فهد فهد. زهرة زهرة. ذهب ذهب. Also za and the cannot be joined. Ha at the end. وجه وجه. منبه منبه. فواكه فواكه. Letter كاف at the beginning. كلب كلب. كورة كورة. كثير كثير. In the middle. سمكة سمكة. مكتب مكتب. بركان بركان. At the end. سمك سمك. ملك ملك. ديك ديك. يا as an initial letter. يد يد. يسار يسار. يمين يمين. middle. عين عين. ليمون ليمون. at the end. كرسي كرسي. قاضي قاضي. شاي شاي. قوي قوي. Okay guys, thanks for joining me today and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, like and share, and don't forget, practice makes perfect. Shukran, and I'll see you in the next video. مع السلامة.